Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So let me ask you a question. What do you think separates winning traders from losing traders? And in fact, pause the video for just a quick second. Head to the comments section below the video if you would, and let me know your thoughts. Let me get an answer from you to that question. What do you think separates winning traders from losing traders? Okay, it can be one of many different things. So perhaps most simply not having an edge, having a process that changes constantly. So one day you might do X, one day you might do Y, one day you might use this indicator, one day you might use that strategy, and everything's just kind of all over the place. But I'll say one thing. No one comes into trading excited to work on risk management and things like discipline, right? They're not very exciting, are they? But quitting the rat race, working for yourself from home on your terms, and having the ability to literally make a living via a computer and an internet connection, that is exciting, isn't it? And all of that is possible when you're consistently profitable, but not until you can understand and respect, again, risk management, and most importantly, discipline. That's the real thing that makes a difference, in my opinion. So let me ask you another question, and alongside your answer, think about the results that you've seen within your trading recently. Okay, when you take a trade, do you know exactly where, exactly when, and exactly why you're getting in? And do you know exactly where, exactly when, and exactly why you're getting out of each trade that you take? Now, if you're thinking, well, yes, I do know those things, but I don't quite do that. And maybe you're a trader who doesn't quite run your trades to target, okay? Or maybe you move your stop to break even, get stopped out, and then watch the trade run onto target, right? Or maybe you're a trader who skips trades because although your trading plan says you should be taking them, you don't quite feel right about them. You second guess yourself and so on. Or maybe you adjust your stop loss and ending up taking a bigger loss than you should have on a trade, and this is negatively affecting your edge, right? If you're doing any of these things, then I'd imagine that you most likely aren't profitable yet. But the thing is, saying that, you shouldn't actually feel bad about it whatsoever, because you've just actually inadvertently identified why you aren't profitable yet. And that's because you're making those mistakes, right? So, and I know this sounds simple, but honestly, if you can just remove these stumbling blocks, you're a profitable trader, aren't you? As long as you have a strategy that provides edge, literally all you have to do is trade well. Trade with consistency and without making any of those mistakes that we've just covered. It really is that simple. And the thing is, I've been there. I've made those mistakes myself. God knows I have. I've exited early. I've missed-sized positions and then taken bigger losses than I should have. I've got in late and then hit target but skewed the risk reward. I've skipped trades out of fear and then watched them run to target. And on and on. I've made every mistake in the book across my years as a trader, that's for sure. But thankfully, the thing that saved me was, well, in the main, keeping a checkable, verifiable log of my strategies trades. In fact, it's actually the reason why I share the trade log for every single one of my strategies with my clients inside our programs, so that they can actually see the strategies working, see that they're profitable on paper before ever using them. And after seeing them work on paper, after actually checking this, confirming this, verifying this, they trade with so much confidence and so much focus that in this case, the money, it genuinely does make itself. It really does. Now, journaling is easy, isn't it? Identifying the mistakes is easy. It's removing them that's the hard part. But if you can just do that, if you can just do 1 month or 1 quarter where you literally just follow your strategy rules to a T and then see the results, see the money actually start to come in, that changes everything. That really, really does change everything. I receive so many messages from people, tweets, emails, and when they experience that, when they actually just put a process in place, follow it, and then actually see results, make money, it's just a game changer. It's a huge light bulb moment. And the confidence that you take from an experience like that, it completely changes your trading. It really does. So where to go from here? Well, use the strategy rules that you currently trade with to build a sheet showing, let's say, last month's trades, last quarter's trades, and just do that to actually prove to yourself that your strategy works. Okay, that's step one. And then from there, with that confidence, with that verification done in mind, just follow your rules repeatedly, every day, over the long term, manage risk along the way, execute well, and so on and so forth, and the money really will take care of itself. Anyway, I hope that helps. Just a short, sharp video for you today to kind of drive home that point, the importance of having an edge, having a consistency in place, having a process to follow, and again, it really does lead to results. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, hopefully you've taken value from the video today. I'll leave it there for now, and as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks guys.